This video will help demonstrate how to load the FCS4 chamber for experiments. If using adherent cells, you will need to plate them on a 40mm cover slip. To help the cells plate faster, use a culture cylinder. Using forceps, remove the culture cylinder. Then slide the forceps under the 40mm cover slip and remove from the petri dish. Place the cover slip into the FCS4 chamber base with sample facing up. If using tissues, you can place the tissue direct on the cover slip, or use your coating of choice to help tack it to the cover slip. Take the lower gasket and place on top of the cover slip, making sure to align any flow direction with the openings in the chamber base. For example, this rectangular gasket is oriented to support flow left to right, or right to left. Take the microaqueduct slide with the perfusion T-grooves toward the lower gasket. Make sure to orient the T-grooves with the two openings in the chamber. Without proper orientation, media perfusion will not be able to occur. Take the upper gasket and place into the chamber, again aligning the two holes with the holes in the microaqueduct slide. Now take the perfusion pressure plate and place on top of the stack. You must orient the tubing so that it aligns with the base openings. The holes in the perfusion piece should also be down toward the base. Take the chamber top, place onto the base, and rotate clockwise to tighten the top. Once the top stops easily rotating, grip the chamber well using the reliefs in the base of the chamber. The chamber should be torqued between 8 and 12 on the gauge. This gauge allows you to quantitatively know how much rotational force is being put onto the chamber, and a positive check to know you are not over-tightening or under-tightening the chamber during assembly. Wipe any additional media from the bottom of the chamber to prevent the media from contacting the microscope or dripping. Install your media perfusion inflow and outflow tubing onto the chamber. 1/16 inch ID slip-on tubing can be used for standard chambers. During initial perfusion, it is suggested to hold the chamber at a 90 or 45 degree angle from the table or hood. This allows the inflow media to purge the chamber of air. If bubbles are present, simply tap on the chamber during perfusion and the bubbles will clear and exit through the outflow. The FCS2 chamber is now ready to load into a stage adapter and then onto the microscope for imaging. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to a Bioptechs representative.